Want to turn your Surface Pro into a full-fledged workstation? Connecting to a Dell Docking Station is the way to go. Modern Surface Pros, Surface Pro 9, 10, and newer, use USB-C, often with Thunderbolt, for seamless connectivity to Dell docks like the WD-22TB or WD-24TB. Just plug the dock's USB-C cable into your Surface Pro's USB-C port. This single connection handles power delivery, charging your Surface Pro, multiple displays, and all your peripherals. Make sure your dock's firmware is up to date for the best experience. In most cases, it's plug and play, giving you a full laptop dock setup in seconds. Ensure it is plugged into the correct USB-C port. If your Surface Pro isn't recognizing the dock, or if you're experiencing display issues, don't panic. First, try reseating the USB-C cable. If that doesn't work, update your Dell dock's firmware from Dell's support website. Using a certified Thunderbolt cable can also prevent data loss. For multi-monitor setups, configure your displays in Windows Settings, Display. Remember, older Surface Pro models might not support all the features of newer docks, especially Thunderbolt speeds. By staying up to date with drivers and using quality cables, you'll minimize issues and maximize productivity.